Hello, my name is Bill Craig, President of AVS Systems in Mount Airy, Maryland. Today I'd like to introduce to you the AVS-4000, 2 MHz to 6 GHz software-defined radio. The AVS-4000 is a USB 3.0 Type-C device. The AVS-4000 was built specifically to provide accurate timestamping of IQ data samples. The AVS-4000 provides 32-bit integer and 32-bit fractional timestamp, packaged together with IQ data samples into Vita 49 packets. The AVS-4000 gets its timing sources from 3 different places. The first, an internal GPS module, which trains an internal TCXO using a 1 pulse per second signal. The second is an external 1 pulse per second, which trains the same TCXO. The third source is an external 10 MHz reference, which phase locks the internal TCXO using a hardware PLL. The external 1 PPS and external 10 MHz reference can be used in combination when a user has an external GPS module they wish to use. This provides the most accurate time stamping for the AVS-4000. Command, control, and data transport are provided by a software daemon that runs on the host computer. The AVS-4000 daemon is a high data rate, lightweight, socket-based software program. The AVS-4000 daemon provides an extensive API using JSON messaging. This combination of JSON messages and socket-based interface provide a language-agnostic method for the user to program the AVS-4000. The AVS-4000 is built around the analog device's AD9364. It weighs 4.5 ounces, draws 2.5 watts, which means you can power the AVS-4000 directly off of a laptop USB 3.0 port. The AVS-4000 is packaged in a rugged aluminum chassis. And on the front panel, you'll see 2 SMA connectors. The first is a dedicated TX port. The second is a dual-purpose RX-TX port. Both RX and TX have 5 selectable pre-selection filters on them. These connector combinations provide the user with the ability to implement FDD or TDD communication links. On the back of the AVS-4000, you'll see 3 RF connections. These are MMCX connectors, and the first is a GPS antenna input for the internal GPS module. The second is a 10 MHz input reference, and the third is an external 1 PPS input. Next to these RF connectors, you'll see 2 USB connectors, USB Type-C. The first is for data transport and command and control. The second is for auxiliary power. This is for customers who don't wish to power the AVS-4000 off of a USB 3.0 port, or have other requirements such as powering the AVS-4000 from a 9-volt or 12-volt input rail. The installation of the AVS-4000 daemon not only installs the AVS-4000 software, but also installs GNU Radio source and sync modules. This makes the AVS-4000, this provides integration for the AVS-4000 into GNU Radio. In addition to the AVS-4000 daemon and GNU Radio blocks, there are several Python scripts that are installed as example code for the user to build their own application to interface to the AVS-4000. This concludes the introduction to the AVS-4000. If you have any questions, please feel free to call us at 301-703-8195 or email us at info@avid-systems.com. I'd like to invite you to check out our other videos, such as installation of the AVS-4000 software and applications for the AVS-4000. Thank you very much.